Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, the smartest cleaning companions for your home. Whether you're tired of daily sweeping, need a reliable vacuum for pet hair, or just want a tech-savvy way to keep your floors spotless, we've handpicked the most advanced robot vacuums that deliver power, precision, and convenience. We'll break down each model's standout features, smart capabilities, and performance, so you can find the perfect one for your lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and see which robot vacuum deserves a spot in your home. Starting at number 5 is the Eufy Omni C20 Robot Vacuum, a sleek and intelligent cleaning device designed for effortless floor maintenance. Eufy, a trusted name in home automation, brings powerful suction and advanced mapping to ensure every inch of your home stays clean. The Omni C20 features smart navigation with LiDAR mapping, allowing it to plan efficient routes and avoid obstacles with ease. It also includes an auto-empty station, saving you from frequent dustbin cleanings. With 6,500 pascal suction power, it handles pet hair, carpets, and hard floors with ease. Users praise its quiet operation and precise mapping, though some mention the dock takes up space. Ideal for those who want an intelligent, hands-free vacuuming experience. Next up at number 4 is the iRobot Roomba 105 Robot Vacuum, combining the reliability of iRobot with next-generation AI cleaning. Known for its consistent performance and durable design, this model offers adaptive navigation, dirt detect sensors, and voice assistant compatibility. The Roomba 105 automatically adjusts suction based on surface type, ensuring efficient cleaning whether on hardwood or carpet. It connects seamlessly with the iRobot Home app, letting you set custom schedules or no-go zones. Users love its reliability and smart home integration, though the battery life could be longer. It's best for users who want a dependable cleaner that fits effortlessly into a smart home setup. Coming in at number 3 is the MAMNV Robot Vacuum and Mop, a versatile 2-in-1 cleaner that sweeps and mops simultaneously. Designed for convenience, it's equipped with intelligent gyroscopic navigation and multiple cleaning modes, ensuring thorough coverage. It offers 2,300 pascals of suction, an electronic water tank for controlled mopping, and voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant. Its slim profile allows it to slide under furniture easily, keeping hard-to-reach areas spotless. Users appreciate the dual cleaning function and quiet operation, though some wish for a larger water tank. Perfect for those who want a budget-friendly vacuum and mop combo without compromising on smart features. At number 2, we have the Roborock Crivo S Robot Vacuum, a premium cleaning powerhouse for tech enthusiasts. Roborock has become a leader in robotic cleaning innovation, and the Crivo S continues that legacy with superior suction, intelligent mapping, and advanced mop automation. Featuring powerful suction up to 7,000 pascals and an auto-lifting mop system, it transitions seamlessly between carpets and hard floors. It also includes a self-cleaning and self-drying dock that minimizes maintenance. The reactive AI obstacle avoidance keeps it from bumping into furniture or cords. While it's on the pricier side, its performance and automation make it one of the most advanced vacuums available. Ideal for busy households that demand top-tier performance with minimal effort. Finally, at number 1 is the Tickum Robot Vacuum and Mop, the best all-around cleaning solution of 2026. Tickum has made waves with its smart, affordable home cleaning products, and this model is no exception. It combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and a built-in mop system in a sleek, quiet design. With smart mapping, app control, and voice command support, you can schedule, monitor, and customize cleaning from anywhere. Its impressive battery life covers large homes in one charge, and the mop function adds an extra shine to hard floors. Users love its excellent balance of features, power, and price, though the mop pad requires frequent cleaning. If you want a smart, powerful, and reliable robot vacuum that delivers the best value, the Tickum Robot Vacuum and Mop is the ultimate choice. And that wraps up our top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026. From the high-tech Eufy Omni C20 and dependable iRobot Roomba 105 to the versatile MAMNV, powerful Roborock Crivo S, and the unbeatable Tickum Robot Vacuum and Mop, there's a perfect option for every home and budget. Which one would you choose to keep your floors spotless? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And be sure to check the description for the latest deals so you can grab the best robot vacuum for your home today. Thanks for watching.